Hey guys, I have another fun diamond pattern for you today. The method used to create the center diamond can be used on its own, or it can be used within a column of diamonds as seen here. I think this pattern would look great repeated in a row at the bottom of a wall hanging. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 5 pieces of rope. Each piece is approximately 75 centimeters, just over 6 feet in length. Fold each piece in half and attach to your dowel using Lark's head knots. Using the inside left cord as your filler cord and the inside right cord as your working cord, tie a double half-hitch knot. Using the same filler cord and the next cord on the right as your working cord, tie another double half-hitch knot. Move back to the middle of your work and use the inside left cord as your filler cord. Tie a double half-hitch knot working to the left. Using the inside right cord as your filler cord, tie 4 double half-hitch knots working down and to the right. Repeat on the left side of your work. Bring the 4 cords on the left in front and then behind the 4 cords on the right, and then tie 4 double half-hitch knots on the left and right sides of your work. Using the inside left cord as your working cord and the cord to the left of it as your filler cord, tie a double half-hitch knot working to the left. Repeat on the right side of your work. Tie 1 more double half-hitch knot with the 2 filler cords to connect the diamond at the bottom. Tie 1 more small diamond at the bottom of your work. Using the inside right cord as your filler cord, tie a double half-hitch knot working to the right. Using the same filler cord and working cord, tie a double half-hitch knot working to the left. Repeat on the left side of your work. Tie 1 more double half-hitch knot in the middle to connect the 2 sides. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.